Next. What is your name?
I am Mr. Linus, the Minister for Information of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Good. Why una dey like oppress una citizen?
Oppress?
You go oppress your citizen on road issue, oppress them on healthcare, oppress them on unemployment. Now na fuel na wan take oppress them. Wetin dey do now?
Fuel?
Na don increase fuel now.
Oh, if it's the issue of increment of fuel, I was not also aware. Even all political stakeholders of this country, we were not aware. It was wait and see. We so just woke up and saw the news.
So you mean that the increment of fuel, none of you?
we were even as surprised as everybody. It was shocking. There was no meeting, there was no memo, nothing. You just woke up and saw that has been increased from 175 to I think 200 and something kobo. It's shocking.
So now why not increase the fuel?
No. Even though I'm not aware of the reason why they increase.
Okay, why not increase fuel?
I know, but not considering. Assuming that I'm aware, I'm not considering, but assuming I'm aware, I think it's also for the betterment of the good people of Nigeria.
So can you give me 3 merits why you increase fuel?
You know, the more expensive the petroleum product is, you discover that you have few accidents rates.
Shut up! Ogo kill you. I swear you be devil. You be devil.
It's enough. Calm down.
You hear wetin talk?
Calm down. So you mean say na dey increase fuel so that road users no go see money take buy fuel? Make few cars dey road.
No,
una wicked.
It's not because of the car. It's to discourage accidents.
Shut up, your mouth.
You discover that when
na because una no dey use road, na flight na dey use from one state to another. If na dey use road, na no go dey increase fuel anyhow.
We don fly to the office, we still use road going
okay
to
now
office.
why? Because you know if the fuel not free for you people, do you buy fuel? When you buy fuel last, one man say make you swear.
No.
When you buy fuel last,
swear. Me fit tell am make swear. Oya swear.
Say you don buy fuel this year.
Lie make I use this thing break your head.
The truth is
you don buy fuel this year.
Actually
excuse me, when man wan use actually, you know say he wan lie.
See, you know my pain. E dey talk like big man.
It's enough. It's enough.
See all these leaders, just bring them come there, just dey knack this thing for their head.
Calm down. If una really dey buy fuel, if una really get the masses at heart, na no go dey increase fuel anyhow.
Good.
Our country when they produce fuel, citizens no use fuel. You see fuel use.
Kerosene sef dem no dey see.
Una dey produce fuel, na dey increase am anyhow for na own citizen.
No.
South when they produce the fuel, when fuel for the come out, go look south, e be like dustbin. E be like fowl cage.
No, later they go say na my work.
It's work in progress.
Which work in progress?
Hey, come. Talk lie. I carry weapon come lie. Because that they do. See, you know, say the most painful part. If they do the thing finish, they'll say it's the devil's work.
I even hear one news one time they don't say why una increase fuel. They say if the youth can buy a bottle of beer for 200, why can't they buy fuel for 200?
But it's the truth.
Shut up. Which kind of truth?
May explain. Is the truth?
No. The truth is, Nigeria has this fixated mindset. The populace.
That thing.
Let them finish now. May talk in life finish. Excuse me.
I know hear that English.
Okay, fixated.
Explain now.
You know, anything we do as leaders, you know, it's not easy to rule. Anything we do as leaders, people look at it with this mindset. Oh, it's for their own self-interest. Oh, they want to embezzle. Oh, they want to do this. But if you take a microscopic look at it.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your dirty mouth. You dey lie. You dey micro god. You dey mad.
Excuse me, not be micro god.
Okay, sorry. Me dey talk with you, I go dey hear. See, come make I tell you something. You know, see the way when una take dey increase the fuel, they increase everything for your country. It dey increase the population for hellfire. Because those wey no fit afford am, they go die. They go thief. They go die. And if they come here, him this weekend, sorry, him go say make they go here.
It's enough, young man. Young man, this okay, can you give me the second reason why you increase fuel?
Good.
It was actually, even as I remember, I told you that I'm not aware of the increment. But you discover that if you look at it holistically with a clear mind, you will discover that it was meant to balance and boost the economy.
You are a fool.
Good.
Because increasement of fuel will not balance nor settle the economy.
Lie.
You know.
Young man,
Go to hell.
No, can I just explain this?
I think say you want say young man go to hell.
do you know that the increment of fuel and the bad economic of your country, they bring down an era?
No. Please, I don't want us to model things up.
Eh?
No,
They talk wetin I go dey hear. No, na so na take dey confuse the people. If una thief the money finish, do everything finish, una dey speak wetin be model. Na read that you dey read model 9. Talk wetin I dey go hear.
It's enough. It's enough. Calm down.
Let me kill this guy.
It's enough. Are you aware that in the year 1981, 1 million naira is equivalent to $1.5 million? Then in the year 1991, 1 million naira is equivalent to $102,000.
$1,000. I think I know that one.
$102,000. Are you aware about that?
Yes, I'm aware of that.
A few years later, 2001, look at it here. 2001.
For here.
1 million naira is equivalent to $8,000.
How they call that?
Then 2011, 1 million naira was equivalent to $6,000.
Wait, as they talk this thing, hope you know they think of how you want to calculate all of them based on for here. The money no dey here.
Then in the year 2021, are you aware that 1 million naira is equivalent to $2,000? See the one na currency fall, na currency dey fall, na dey happy.
That one I think is the devil's work because.
Do the mad? When una don fall the currency for na country like woman breast when e don fall, you say na my work, ogun go kill you. If not be say you don die, in fact you must die again for here. And they continue, no vex. Call me say na my work.
So na there we dey follow na currency, na there we dey increase fuel.
See, I fit take anything. You see that fuel? You dey mad? I dey drive motor abi I dey come buy fuel for una filling station or una dey come buy fuel for me? See, you see that money matter so? That one so. Now una know how una take do am. Now una know how una take bring am down. But make I tell you, you see dry bush arise again. Not be for person like you. Because as you die now, you will never rise. You will never rise in Jesus' name.
It's enough. It's enough.
No, the thing dey vex me.
It's
you know
enough.
why? People not dey come here again now.
No, it's enough.
Okay.
So young man, Minister of Information, I think you will go back. You guys should go and do something about it for.
Eh? No.
Yes.
No.
They need to reduce the fuel.
Yes, you are very correct.
Oh.
We are actually working on it. We have to bring
Why
it.
be say that country now so working on it? I know they work finish.
You know, we are a nation that is a work in progress. You know, even the elite third world country, you discover that they are still work in progress. You know, at least, but I can assure you, we are going to take the price
It's
of
enough.
petrol
Go
on
back
that.
to hell.
God, when you just let me dey sit down
It's
here.
enough. Go back to hell. You go back. I want to see the work in the next few days.
All right, thank you very much. The
It's enough.
Get out. We won't get meeting. But God, when God will really comot you for here, make you stop to dey do partial. You see somebody like that now, he go there now, go tell them. Just money when you call here now, just call take give am example. Better if that man no go tell them say we get money for here, the better you reach here because my Ghana never come back. So
You can go to hell.
okay,
Thank you.
okay. Anything dey for today. So.
Next.